and every one of us in this room.
Yeah, man.
It's rare that a talent like this comes about. And we've had such an incredible number of years together. I've watched her soar from a teenager to a household name all over the world. She holds so many world records, not the least of which she had 7 consecutive #1 singles in a row. That's pretty difficult to do, but she did it. She's the only artist with 7 consecutive multi-platinum albums. And whenever you see American Idol, you see contestants try to sing one of the songs, and then one of the judges says, you know, it's a tough thing to do, to cover this artist's songs. So, without further ado, this is a party atmosphere, and I've asked her in that spirit, in this hour, to come before you tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Whitney.
Well, as far as you will always be the one, for me.
awards like singers. Like, you know, it's like, man, I thank you. We've been together for so long. He is truly my father in the music industry. How many years has it been? We won't tell. We won't tell. But y'all ready to? Y'all ready to? Do it, Whitney. All right, ready? Let's do it. I'm ready. Dark Child. Dark Child. Friday night you and your boyfriend bouncing. Then they hung out, but you came home around 3. Yes, 6 of y'all went out. 4 of y'all was really chic. Only 2 of you had that